Hello, all. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss how to create a simple game rock, paper, scissors. So we know this actually we heard about this game. So we know that rock always beats scissor and scissor beat paper and paper beats rock. So it will be in a circular. So in this game, first you have to choose any of the three, either rock or paper or scissor. And the computer also make a choice. So based on the choice, we have to decide who is the winner. If both choose the same, it's going to be the tie game. So let's see how to make this code. So this is the main function. Let's name as play rock paper scissor. So we know that this is the choice. We have to make a list of choice. That choice means it should be three: rock, paper, and scissor. So we have to choose anything from this. So both the system and the user should use the anyone from this list, any of the nine from the list. Okay. So this is just a heading. Welcome to back to paper scissor game. And here, computer choice, we are randomly choosing from the choices. Choices is a list with three variables, and random dot choice we have using random library. So it automatically choose any of this. It may be rock or paper or scissor. Then next is the player's choice. So this is input from the choice. So paper, the player should type the input. They should type exactly rock, paper, or scissor. So we have to make sure that the value should be inside the list. So if it's not there, means we'll say invalid. Sometimes maybe self spelling mistake and all be there, but they have to make a correct value. Next, after this is predicted, we'll print the computer choice and your choice. So both are, this is the player choice and this is the computer choice. Just variable we are printing that. And here, if both are equal means it's a tie game. Otherwise, we have to check if player choose rock and computer choose scissor. Either player choose scissor, computer choose paper, or player choose paper, computer choose rock. All this case, player will be the winner. So you will be the winner. Other case, computer is the winner. So this is the basic logic we added with else if condition, and with or condition we added that. So to play again, they will ask yes, otherwise break. That's all right. If main, we'll call this main function. So automatically it will be executed one by one. Okay, let's run Control F5. Yes. So it's running. We have to choose. I'm choosing rock. You choose rock. Computer also choose rock. So it's a tie. I choose paper. Sorry, I was. I have to run it again. By choosing this time, I'm choosing paper. See, this computer choice is wrong, and I'm the winner.